Hello everyone, to our alumni and current students of Computer Science Department. We are one of the departments that share this building in College of Science, and today we are here to ask for something of our own because we have been sharing this floor with everyone. We have done a lot of this particular floor. Today we are asking for a computer science complex.
So because of our numbers, there is no room in the whole College of Science big enough to hold us. So we end up having lectures in different colleges entirely. And sometimes, because of how many we are, we have to go to different classrooms to bring in chairs just to fit everyone in. This is what we are dealing with. The computer science complex changes that. Right now, we have over 3,000 students in the department, making us the most populated department in the whole college.
First of all, the space issue. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired of every class. Yeah, can't you do Susanna about it? Please, can you just from me? The last time I had to carry a chair from GF all the way to TA. Can you imagine? I had to do that.
Space isn't just about square footage. It is whether every student, especially our women in tech, has a place to belong to mentor each other, and to grow. Right now, we make do, and I think we deserve more than that.
When we plan events like this ones, the rooms we have just won't fit everyone. We end up splitting things into different channels or restricting them from coming completely. A Euro complex fixes this issue. We've heard the numbers. We've seen what our students go through just to sit in a lecture. Now, it's time to build what's next. A computer science complex that fits who we are. We've shared one floor for years. Over 3,000 of us still on one floor. And there is no big room in College of Science to hold us.
We make do, we deserve more than that.
We've had to limit how many people can attend. And that's not something we should accept.
So this is where you come in. We are calling on each and every person to come and support the alumni, the current students to make this vision very possible. You can call the number on your screen for any inquiries. Thank you very much.